Good morning, students. Today we will study the fourth chapter of English grammar, that is singular and plural naming words. As we have done in the previous chapter, naming words. As we know what is naming words, that is the names of any person, place, animal or thing. Now we are going to see which naming word is singular and plural. So let us do the chapter. See here what is written here in the book. Look at the naming words and match the words with picture. So, let us see the pictures and the words. The first one is, you can see so many pictures are there. First one is one peacock. See here, one peacock. And the picture you can see here, one peacock. Next written here, two peacocks. Here you can see the picture, there are two peacocks. You can see when we have written one peacock, there is no S after the word, naming word. But when we are saying two peacocks, we are placing S after the naming word, that is peacock. So we can understand that we have more than one peacock. Next, see one tiger. So here also you can see the picture, that one tiger. Next written here, four tigers. So here the picture you can see, there are so many tigers, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So four tigers. Next written here, one lotus. You can see the picture of the lotus on the left hand side, that one lotus. Next on the right hand side picture, you can see so many lotuses. So two lotuses, more than one. It is more than one. So two lotuses. Next, one rabbit. Here the picture is one rabbit. And here so many rabbits are there. So 5 rabbits. There are 5 rabbits, more than one rabbit. So here, what is written here? Naming words can show the number of a particular thing. So it can show the number of a particular thing. That means number. We are saying about the number, isn't it? How many are there? 1, 2, 3. We can identify that. When there is only one of the naming word, it is said singular naming words. When it is one naming word, it is called singular. Okay. Next, there are some examples. See, book, table, bag, beer. So these are singular naming words. Next, when the naming word shows that there are more than one of a particular thing, it is said plural naming words. So when it is more than one, it is said plural naming words. So more than one, we say it plural. We can form the plurals of the naming words by adding S or ES to them. When we add S or ES, we make the naming word as plural. Let us see. Look at the different ways in which plurals are formed. By adding s. So now we are going to make plural words by adding s. So here you see the picture, that is girl. When there is more than one girl, it is girls. We are adding s. We are adding s. That makes girls. That makes girls. We are making it plural. Next, see table. So here is one table, and on the right hand side you can see there are more than one tables. That is plural. We are adding s to the naming word table and making it plural. Now there are some more examples. Look at some more example. Book, books. Lamp, lamps. Bag, bags. Beer, beers. Spoon, spoons. So you can see all these plural words s are added to the naming words. Okay. Next, by adding es, we have done s, now we are doing es. So box, boxes. When we are making it plural, we are adding es. So there are some letters after that, when we add es, we make it plural. Suppose here bus is there, so s is already there. So how we will make it plural? We will add es to make it plural. That is buses. Buses. So x, s, when the last letter is x, s. Here more examples are there. sh, that is bush. We are making it bushes. Next is torch, ch. We are making it torches, es. Fox, that is x, last letter, es. So x, s, sh, ch, x, ss. If it is also there, we will write es to make it plural. Last we will add es to make it plural. Okay, children? Next, lady. How we will do? Here y is there at the end. So now see, by changing y to ies, we will change the y and we will write ies to make it plural. That is lady. When it is plural more than one, we will remove y and we will write ies. That is ladies. ladies. Okay. See here pony. So more than one pony is there. So what we will do? We will remove y and we will write ies. Ponies. ponies. Okay. Now next is by changing f or fe to ves. So f or fe, if the last letter is f or fe, we will change it to ves to make it plural. So here you see the picture, that is loaf. Okay, this is bread. Loaf of bread. So loaf. So when it is more than one loaf, we will remove F and we will write VES. LOAVES. Okay. Next is shelf. Shelf. See here, F is there. So if there is more than one shelf, we will make it plural. To make it plural, what we will do? VES. So shelves. SHELVES. Okay. So like this we are going to do. So let us recap once more. See here, when it is some of the words are there, we will add only S. Only S. Okay. Next is we will add ES. ES. Where? When the last letter of the naming words are X, S, CH, SH, SS, all these we will write ES last. Okay, of the naming word we will add ES to make it plural. Next is Y, that we will make it plural, IES. Y to IES. When the last letter is Y, to make it plural, we will remove Y and we will write IES. That is to make it plural. Okay. And next what we are going to do, that is F or FE. If the last letter is F or FE of the naming words, to make it plural, we will write VES. VES. So I think these are clear for the singular and plural. So here are some more words. Let us study. Okay. Okay. Some naming words cannot be made plural in this way. So, some naming words are there which we don't have to use S or ES, VES, all these we don't have to use. Okay. To form plural of such naming words, the whole word is changed. So, to make those naming word plural, we have to change the word. So, what are these? Let us see. Child is singular and plural is children. Singular is man, plural is men. Singular woman, singular woman. Okay, plural is woman. Singular foot, plural is feet. Mouse is singular, mice is plural. Goose is singular, geese is plural. Ox is singular, oxen is plural. So these are the few words that in this the words are totally changed. You can see that these words have changed from the singular words. So these you have to learn. Just you have to learn all these words, because here no ES, VS, okay, all these are added. You have to just learn this. So this was the explanation of the chapter. Okay, next are the exercises. Okay, so we will do the exercises. I'll just show you some of the examples, and in the classes we will do it. Okay, so let us start. Add s or es to form the plural forms to these naming words. So number 1 is bench. So we will do here benches. Ch is there. We have to add s or es. So I have told you that when it is the last letter is s, ch, sh, we will add es. So we will write benches. 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 Okay. Next, number 2 is toy. T-O-Y. Toy. So here we will write T-O-Y-S. Toys. We are not going to write here I-E-S. Okay. There are few words that ending Y, but we are not going to add I-E-S after Y. We are going to write S only. Okay. Next are the words. You will do it. Okay. And we will do in the class also. Okay. Next is add VES to form the plural form of these naming words. Okay. So we have to add VES. Leaf, leaves. So L-E-A-V-E-S. Leaves. Okay, L-E-A-V-E-S. So like this, shelf also, S-H-E-L-V-E-S you will do. Okay, loaf also, all these you are going to add V-E-S. Okay, next is add I-E-S to form the plural form of these naming words. So here also you have to add I-E-S, that is cherry. Number 1 is cherry. So C-H-E-R-R-I-E-S. Cherries. Okay. Next is baby. B-A-B-Y. So you will write B-A-B-I-E-S. Last ending you will do I-E-S. You will remove Y and you will write I-E-S. Story, same thing. S-T-O-R-I-E-S. Stories. Okay, like this you will do. Next, write the plurals of the given naming words. As in the previous we have learnt all this, that child, children, man, men, like this we have to do in this exercise. So ox, what we have learnt plural, that is oxen. Oxen. Man, it will be men. All these children you have to learn. Okay. Woman, woman. Okay. Goose, geese. G-E-E-S-E, geese. Okay. So next is fill in the blanks with correct form of given words. So here are some of the words and you have to write the correct form. There are many dash in the sky. What we are going to write here? See what are the words written? Boy, cat, flower, kite, candle, book, baby, horse. So what we are going to write here? What you can see in the sky? Kite. So there are many kites. It will be kites. Words are given, but you have to write the correct form. When it is many, you have to write, you have to add S, I-E-S or V-E-S, anything that the word will depend. So there are many kites. K-I-T-E-S. We are going to write S. K-I-T-E-S. Kites. Okay. Next, the dash is eating hay. So what we are going to write is the dash is eating hay. That means is singular. So we are going to write here horse. So we are going to write here horse is eating hay. So here horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse. Okay children. So like this we will do rest of the exercise. We will also do in the online class. Okay. Next, what is given here? Correct the mistake and write and rewrite the sentences. So here see, there are many orange on the tree. So many is given. That means what? It is plural. So we have to add S after orange. That means oranges. So there are many oranges on the tree. Okay children. So next one, I like to travel in a buses is given. So buses is plural, but in a is given. A means singular. So we have to write. So we have to remove es after bus. So we have to remove after bus es. That means I like to travel in a bus. It will be bus. I like to travel in a bus. Okay children. So like this you have to rewrite the sentence and correct the mistakes. So this also we will do in online class. So this was the chapter all about. I think you have understood the chapter. Okay, singular and plural. So I am ending this video over here.